Guys, welcome to our YouTube channel. Today we are going to be looking at how to design an interactive toggle button on Figma. Let's get straight into it. Firstly, on our artboard we are going to bring in our frame tool, or press F on your keyboard and then we'll just drag it out. I'm going to be using 58 by 32 pixel, so the width will be 58 and the height will be 32, sorry, 56, and the height will be 32 pixel. Then we are using a frame tool because it is constraint enabled. Next I want to do is I'm going to give it a corner radius of 20. After doing that, I have this. The next I want to do is bring in my circle tool, and then I just draw a circle. I'm going to be using a 24 by 24 pixel, 24 by 24 pixel, and then I just take that into that frame that I have already. Then the next thing I want to do is I want to make sure I make this circle aligned to the left, so left and center, left, center. So we have that. I did that here. So we have left, center. The next thing I want to do is this same frame, I'm just going to duplicate it. I'll call this inactive, and I'll call this the active. So the next thing I want to do is I'm just going to switch this back to place it behind the other one, and then I'll change the color of this. So I'm going to be, since it's an inactive state, we are going to make this gray and white. So the frame is going to be gray and this is going to be white. Then for this, the active state, we are going to be using the color on your design. So I'll just go with blue and white. So here I'm going to go with blue, and then I'm going to go with white for the circle. So there we have that. There we have that. The next thing I want to do is I'm just going to select all of them. Here I'm going to make the constraints left me center, rather right and to the center. So I'm just going to select all of that and then come here and put it in a component set. All right, so I have it, I put it in a component set. The next thing I want to do is for it to be interactive, I'm going to prototype it. So here we just click on the prototype option and say when we tap on this it should change to this, on click change to this in active, and then animation should be instant, on click change back to this, the same settings, and then we have that. So in order for us to test this, if this is working, all we need to do is bring in an artboard design. Just bring in an artboard or a frame. So let's just bring in iPhone 13 mini, and then I come to my asset here and I pick my toggle button. I just drag it into my design. I put it in the middle. The next thing I want to do is I'm going to play this prototype. So I'll just click preview for you to see, and then we have that loading. So here we just see the interaction. Once you click on it, it turns on and then it turns off, and you have successfully created an interactive toggle button. See you guys in our next video. Please like, subscribe and share. Bye.